Feel me, shout out to Billy Cook. The Billy Cook.
Blessings from heaven, rain on me like Oklahoma
Rain on me.
with blessings from heaven, rain on me like
Rain on me.
Oklahoma
Yeah. Rain on me. Yeah.
blessings from heaven,
Rain on me.
blessings from heaven,
Yeah. Rain on me.
blessings from heaven,
Yeah. Rain on me. Yeah.
blessings from heaven,
Yeah. Rain on me.
blessings from heaven,
Rain on me.
rain on me like Oklahoma rain. Blessings from heaven, rain on me, Lord, rain on me.
I'ma say it like God just said it. The blessings that come from heaven, I ain't gonna take advantage of it, I'ma take care of it. And if I signal my arm with my hand, I can get you hit anywhere, no matter where you stand. Now you choosing to sit down and focusing hard on them lines. Wouldn't even have to pay the cost. I could do it by myself and show you about a real boss. I'm trying to pray for you, I know somebody praying for me. This a walkie-talkie, it's not a running-talkie. If I say copy, it mean what you said I received. When I got God on my line, I hope I never get it clear. But I gotta say clear because it mean I'm done talking and it's time to spit back. Speak back, dig that. I could just hit you in your hat. Point blank, flatten that, pancake it, take that. However you wanna take that, it does. Rain out here, sometimes flood. Sometimes I'm getting rained on while I'm shooting slugs. This city don't matter, every town got violence. God is everywhere, and I'm good no matter where I'm at. Now I'm trying to keep a good signal, the static is the scene. No matter the channel, I know sometimes I'm hard to handle. Claiming counting blessings before you end up losing them. Inventories, know what you got, inventory. For me, victory, God gets glory. I hope it's long away, but one day it's gonna be a day that I'm waking up and I won't get to see the next day. Better have my luggage packed, a lot of sin, don't wanna take that.